IB Biology, Topic 3.2 Chromosomes Point 3. Eukaryote chromosomes are linear DNA molecules associated with histone proteins. In this video, we'll be looking at the shape of eukaryote chromosomes. So here we see that a eukaryote chromosome is comprised of linear DNA and protein. And in this case, the protein, the chromosome is associated with histone proteins. So when we're saying plus protein, we're referring to these histone proteins. If you remember earlier when we spoke of prokaryotes, we said that they were naked. And when I described naked, I said that they were not associated with proteins. So in this case, you see that a eukaryote chromosome is not naked because it is associated with proteins, and in this case, histone proteins. These histone proteins have a globular shape, so they're globe-like, although not a circle but a globe in 3 dimensions, and that they're wider than DNA. There may be many histones in one molecule, and this one molecule, meaning the DNA molecule, and the DNA is wound around them. And adjacent histones in the chromosome are separated by small stretches of DNA. And these small stretches of DNA are not in contact with the histone. So small stretches of DNA that are not in contact with histones. And the final thing that you should know for point 3 is that a eukaryote chromosome gives the appearance of a string with beads during interphase. And this is because these histones are wider than the DNA, and there are many of them, and the DNA is wound around them. So what you end up with is this linear DNA molecule that's wound around histones wider than it, and it gives the appearance of a string with beads.